Okay, perfect. Let's see what's going on. And okay,
Look,
and U.S. funds genocide. Okay.
Hey Fuma.
people have the next now.
Hey Fuma, it's Phil. Ask them if they feel like they can get high with Jews. If Jews and Palestinians can get high together.
Yo, Phil, you and this goddamn high question.
I need to know.
Motherfuckers are gonna put me on a fucking Jewish kebab. Okay, you know the niggas with the hot dog stands with the dirty water hot dog? That's these guys.
You can ask the Chinese girl. She's not from Gaza.
Chris.